Bugatti, in collaboration with Adidas, has launched a truly unique limited edition soccer boot. Crafted around the CrazyFast laced boot by Adidas, this exclusive Bugatti collection embodies the shared values of both brands. The focal point of the new boot is Adidas's speed frame, sole plate technology, creating a lightweight structure that offers the rigidity needed for rapid acceleration. The carbon fiber inlay in the boot's tooling echoes the material used in Bugatti's high-performance cars. On the sides of the boot, two powerful phrases make their mark: "Impossible is nothing" for Adidas and "Create the incomparable" for Bugatti. The limited edition CrazyFast Bugatti boots are set to make their grand debut on the pitch, exclusively worn by Rafael Leo and Karim Benzema, to ensure that Bugatti and Adidas enthusiasts worldwide have an equal opportunity to own one of the 99 pairs. From this exclusive collection, the boots will be auctioned through the Adidas Collect Web3 platform.